What's up everybody, it's Jane with Destination Bigfoot Bronco, and today we are going to be installing some 3/4 inch billet aluminum shackles from Mojab. Not Moab, but Mojab. Okay, let's see. Go ahead and get these unboxed. Move this. Installation instructions here. Some snap rings, cover, and here she is. These are the gold color. These match up pretty well with the cyber orange on Bigfoot. So we'll go ahead and get these disassembled here and go ahead and get them installed. Okay, first you want to take a 4mm or a 5/32 Allen key and loosen this bolt up here. Be careful, there is a lock washer in with it there. As you can see, it's got a snap ring on this side already installed. Slide this out like so. And we'll take it over to Bigfoot and get it installed. Okay, first we'll come over here. Make sure the existing holes on your bumper here are cleaned out really well. Then we slide the pin out like so. Pop it in there like that. Slide it in there. Go ahead and take your set pin here. Get that locked in place. Make sure it lines up with the groove side of the pin there. Then you take your snap ring pliers, place them in like so. Fit it right inside the groove there. And like that. Make sure she clicks in, and side one is done. Might need to install some isolators on either side here, but that's no big deal for right now. Okay, now we'll come over here to the other side and repeat the process. Okay, I actually found that I had some isolators to take up a lot of that gap there. So we'll just take the other snap ring, squeeze that off.